kind of like a Nissan key. Okay, I'm gonna open it first and then I'll make the key. What kind of work do you do?
I sell bathrooms.
It's nice. So you got to go to like people's houses, I guess?
Yeah.
In your car, or they give you a car?
Mine here.
Oh,
yeah, I'm running late to a place.
Oh, dang. Try to get you out of here quick.
Thanks, man.
No problem. I keep losing one. I need to put more pressure. There we go. This one and number one. Well, three, but there we go. No key in the car, huh?
No key in the car.
Here, take that. So if you have to blow on the breathalyzer, then do whatever you need to do while I make the key, okay?
Okay.
So I open the other side for you. Yeah.
You don't need the breathalyzer all the way.
There we go. Okay, let me read these codes. Let's see what we get now. Vehicle. Subaru Outback. Standard. Codes. 327 23. Should be D.
How does it cut it? Cuts it pretty fast? Or?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right, very good. Does your car have a dead battery? No? Okay, good. Let's give you like a warning, you know? Okay. So it's gonna erase the other key from the memory. But if you find it, you can just call me and I can meet you somewhere. We can add it back in.
Okay.
All right. Thought we have a spare. Oops. Okay, right. Sure did. So you see your security light right there? It's like a red light.
Yeah.
The car won't start with that on. See that's not on? Shouldn't it be on? How does that work? Or you gotta press the button for it to be on?
Press the button.
Oh, gotcha, okay. Outback. What year? 2010?
2008.
8, okay. There's our security light. So there's a red light right there. Just shut off. So it should say success here in a second. Once that security light shut off. Okay, I think it's good. If you want to
Try starting it?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I'll let you try to start it. Cool. That's a long one.
Yeah, it is.
Perfect.